Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some pulled pork. I have this pork right here, pork shoulder in the crock pot, and it's cooking, and I'm just going to wait for it to finish cooking. I'm going to set it on high for about, let's see, 4 hours maybe, 4 to 5 hours until it's just tender and you can pull it apart. So this is pulled pork that I'm making. We're going to make some pulled pork sandwiches. All right, so we're starting from the beginning. I didn't season it yet. I'm just have it in here. I'm probably not going to put much seasoning, maybe a little salt, a little pepper. That's about it. And we're going to make pulled pork sandwiches. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I made some pulled pork sandwiches. Doesn't it look good with homemade coleslaw on top? Yummy, yum. All right, this recipe is already on my YouTube channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember, there's my homemade coleslaw right there. Homemade coleslaw, y'all. I got the recipe on YouTube, pulled pork. All right, so this is our sandwich for me and Bella. Say hi, Bella.
Hi.
All right, so thank you guys for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to what?
Like,
subscribe, and share. And as always, bon appetit.
You may eat.
You may eat.
Mm.
Yum.